Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. I'm Farnoosh Torabi. This is Jim Cramer. Hi, Jim. Intel, a former horseman of yours, receives an upgrade today from Goldman Sachs to buy from neutral. You call this stock a poor little lamb that's lost its way.
Yeah, there's really nothing here. I mean, look, if you want to make 50 cents, 60 cents, God love you. In the interim, Research Motion will go up $10. In the interim, Google could be up 100 points. These are all, we're in a relative valuation, relative gain period. We've had these periods before. Beginning in 1982, we've had these periods where it isn't a question about whether a stock will go up. It's can you be in the stock that goes up the most? Now, between the period of defined by 2000 to 2006, it was a question, can you be in stocks that will advance or stocks that will decline? That period ended. What we're in now is a period of relative gain. Which stocks can go up the most? And what I'm saying is that Intel, Microsoft, Cisco, Dell won't go up as much as other stocks in the market, and not just tech. They won't perform as well as Caterpillar or Ingersoll Rand or Parker Hannifin or Rockwell or Emerson. They won't, in part because look at their market cap. Their market caps are gigantic, and they just can't move. They can't gallop. So, I mean, we're looking for we're in a horse race here. And it isn't like Intel's stuck in the gate. It's not like it's we're going backwards. It's just not going the race.
Can I ask you this? Speaking of relativity, if you're looking at Intel and its biggest rival, AMD, and you think, you know, a lot of the sentiment out there is that Intel has the upper hand there.
Right, they definitely do.
That's why can you trade on that relationship?
What, long Intel, short AMD?
Yeah.
No, you can't short AMD because I have a hard time shorting anything here because Penn National Gaming gets a leveraged buyout and they stunk. I mean, you know, there's just a lot of people are able to look at the glass half full and buy it. AMD would be ridiculous LBO, but so is Freescale, and people don't care. There's a lot of money around, and I think that when there's a lot of money around, a lot of stupid things get done, but not initially. It doesn't look initially. In hindsight, they'll look stupid. I mean, look, I think that you go long Intel, you short AMD, and I bet you do almost as well as the S&P.
All right, Jim Cramer on Intel. Thanks so much, Jim.
Thank you.
This is Wall Street Confidential. Don't go away.